Okay, now on to the window situation. So yeah, I have 3D printed a bag of window sliders, and yeah, I'm going to remove the door card. It's held on with 2 Torx 20 bits and a lot of plastic clips. So yeah. Thankfully this time all the clips stayed on the door card. There are no clips missing. I have already re-glued them all for both door cards and even the rear door cards. So yeah, this time it stayed. Last time it did, 1 or 2 didn't stay on the door card. So yeah, this time it stayed. It's fine. So now. And as you can see, that clip has broken once again. It's breaking because the mechanism is bent. When I got the car, the window also wasn't working, and this arm was like bent 90 degrees outside. So yeah, I mean, it works for like a month of constantly up and down, but it's breaking. I have greased all 3 legs, and yeah, hopefully, well, mainly now I need it to close fully, and I need to remember not to bend down the window. It keeps breaking and breaking and breaking and breaking, bro. So I have I put on the new slider and it broke already, and yeah, as you can see, this arm is bent. It's like twisted and bent. I have also changed to work clothes, so I hope we don't get grease in my clean clothes. So yeah, we'll try to bend it a little bit back a little bit more so it's normal. It doesn't break immediately. The clip, maybe there's something in the window sliders, like on this side here, keeps twisting it. But yeah, hopefully it will last this time. And I actually found that there were 2 pieces from the last broken glass slider. As you can see, it's clipped in. Need to somehow get the window back in place and then test it if it works. And the battery is running low on the camera, so yeah, hopefully I'll make it in time. So yeah, the window isn't in place and this is outside of this, so that's why it breaks. I'll try to get it in. So as you can see, it went up its seats all the way around here. Here it's hopefully we'll see it, we'll pull it back down and see how it goes. Down. So hopefully that's a fix. It will hold at least all winter because it broke on the first snow day. I will show you, I will put a clip on it. But yeah, hopefully this, I just need to remember not to pull down the window regularly, so yeah. Okay, I put it all back together. This is how it looks. It works now. Yeah, the interior is back together. Need to clean everything and yeah, hopefully it will work for winter, whole winter.